Hello students, let us study about causes of the disease. There are three types of diseases. One is immediate cause and contributing cause and third level of cause. Immediate cause means the person is infected some pathogens. Uh, that time immediately the person is suffering from cold and cough. Contributing cause, it is contributed by the other organism. Third level of cause. Third level of cause, it is by water, by air, polluted air, by public health issues. With the help of that, it will come. That is known as third level of cause. First is immediate. Let us study about immediate cause. It is a primary or the first level of cause of the disease. For infectious disease, the immediate cause is the pathogen. The infection is occur in the human being, the person. It is due to the pathogen. It is a disease causing organism like bacteria and virus. The person is suffering from cold and cough. It is an immediate cause. The level of cause of pathogen, which may be virus or bacteria. The pathogens means other organism, the microorganism. It is infected by the person. Okay, this is known as immediate cause. Second level is contributing causes. These causes make a person prone to contract a disease. See, in contributing causes means that it is not susceptible disease. The person are not equally susceptible to the disease. They cannot tolerate the disease. It is undernourishment. Susceptible may be due to the undernourishment or genetically related. See here, the person is very susceptible, a very uh, particular about if infection is occur very uh, clear not clearly, is infection is occur to that person because of his immunity is not strong, the lack of nourishment, due to the lack of nourishment, he is not taking the food proper and immunity is not good, he can infect that person is infection is very it affects the infection. And because of the hereditary, the some diseases it comes from the parents to offspring, the contributing to the second level of cause. And here I will give one example for the immunity. uh, More than 10 members are playing in the ground. Some person is very particular about the cold. If the cold is cold is more in the atmosphere, the humidity is more, that time suddenly he will start sneezing, means he is very prone or susceptible to the disease. Okay. And third level of disease, these causes increase chances of contracting the disease. Okay. Unclean water, it may cause us waterborne disease. The typhoid is there, dysentery is there. These two diseases sets come from the waterborne disease. Unclean water, if you drink, that time it starts the dysentery, and due to that, the jaundice it affects. And polluted air causes respiratory diseases. The pollution is more in the atmosphere. The polluted air, due to the pollution, the respiratory diseases like cold, cough he will get. Poor public health service, unclean water, and that area is completely unclean, that time the third level of cause will occur. Okay.